What's up everyone, today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Kubfu from Pokemon Sword and Shield. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow through my tutorial with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayons. Now I'm gonna start with drawing the upper portion above his eye, and I'm gonna draw a curved line across like that. And then on the left side here, I'm gonna make a sharp turn to the center up, and then take this point here and draw a curved line outwards, then turn it back in and up and stop there. And then from this point here, I'm gonna draw a curved line up and then turn it to the right, and then make a sharp turn back to the left and down. And then we're gonna do a similar shape on this side, a curved line out and up, and then turn it back to the left and down. And on the right side here, I'm gonna repeat the same shape there, and above that a curved line out and back in and up to the center. And below the whole shape, I'm gonna draw a semi-oval off the center to the left here, like that. And then in the center of that, I'm gonna draw another semi-oval. And then for his eyebrow, I'm gonna take a point to the right of the eye, draw a curved line diagonally to the left and up, and turn it to the right and up, and then back to the starting point on the right side of the eye. Now we're gonna mirror the whole thing on the right side here. And then for his nose, I'm gonna draw an oval in the center of the eye there, like that. And then I'm gonna draw a curved line below here on the left side, and go up to the nose and make a semicircle turn and mirror back that shape, that curved line on the right side downwards. And then in between of the lower point of the curves, I'm gonna draw two short lines there. And then from the left side of the face on the cheek here, I'm gonna draw a semicircle line upside down across to the right side. There. And then at this point here, I'm gonna draw a curved line out, and then make a sharp turn slightly upwards to the side, and then repeat that again, another on the side, and go up. And then I'm gonna draw a short curved line there, and then from that point I'm gonna draw a curved line out for his ears, and then turn it with a semicircle back to the center of the face, and then make a curved line there. And then I'm gonna draw a curved line upwards and to the right, like that, and then turn it back down, and then repeat the same shape to the right and slightly down, and a curved line on the side there, and then mirror the ear shape on the right side and mirror the whole thing. Now for his shoulder, from the left cheek, I'm gonna draw a curved line out and then turn it down, and then from this point here I'm gonna draw a curved line out, and then for his fist I'm gonna do a semicircle on the side here and then turn it up and to the left, and then turn it downwards again and to the right, and then go up and back to the left, and at that corner I'm gonna add a bracket there. They're gonna repeat the same shape of the fingers to the left and another one. Below the last figure I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards and turn it back to the main body, and then turn it back up with a curved line. And then below the right side I'm gonna draw a curved line down to the tummy and curve it in. And then for his legs, below in the center I'm gonna draw a curved line across like that, and then on both sides, on the left side here I'm gonna draw a curved line down and then make a turn to the left with a curved line, and then make and draw a straight line diagonally to the left and up, and then make a sharp turn back to the right and down, and then go up and right, and then go back down to that point. And then from this point I'm gonna draw a curved line up to the elbow there, and then I'm gonna add a curved line here. And for his right leg I'm gonna take the point from the center below the leg here and draw a curved line out, and then make a turn down, and then make a turn to the right with a curved line. And then we're gonna repeat that same shape as his toes on the left and do a zigzag line on the right side as well. And then above on this side I'm gonna draw a curved line up and then turn it back to the tummy there. And for his right arms I'm gonna draw a curved line from the right side of the chin here and turn it down, and then turn it out, and from the lower line of the arm I'm gonna curve it out there and turn it up. I'm gonna copy the same shape of the fist on the left and another one on the side. And then on the left side of the cheek here I'm gonna add a curved line there, and then on the right we're gonna add a curved line from this corner here out, and then turn it down, and then turn it back out and in again, and extend the line beyond the fist all the way to the right side of the head there. And on his chest we're gonna add from the center a curved line diagonally to the sides and up, and then we're gonna turn it with a curved line downwards and to the center, and then make a turn up, and then we're gonna mirror the same shape on the right. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoyed the lesson and find my videos helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, Feel free to let me know of your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below.